Hey folks, it's Rick down here in the studio lounge, which is very messy right now. Very, very messy. But it's a special day. Oh, there's old guitars, a bunch of stuff on my shelves. It's a special day because I have my new guitar to show. So stand by. Look at a case. I'd be lying if I said I haven't been in it once or twice already. So you'll have a hard time blaming me. The case is heavier than the guitar. And look at that nice D. That's a D. Oh, she's pretty nice. Oh, it's a Starplayer special. That's what it is. Pretty rosewood neck. Big old frets. Medium, jumbo, I don't know what they are. They're big. They're big enough. Big volume and a tone. This is a special tone. So when it's halfway, that's regular humbucking pickups. And you can turn down the tone on your humbucking pickups, or like that. Or what you can do is you can crank that up, and it's a blend of single coil, so I guess it starts pulling out one of these coils, so it splits the pickup, but it's blendy. 3-position switch. Listen to it. Oh my goodness, looks like plastic, don't it? It's metal. That's metal. This is badass. Look at this. We've got the little D on the tailpiece. Flawless finish. Really nice little binding around there. Oh, did I mention it's a bolt-on? It's a bolt-on. The back is just beautiful, like glass. The neck, very regular old piece of maple, but it's beautiful. There's my serial number. Don't read it. Regular tuning. Regular strap locks. I don't know. I don't want to put regular strap locks on this because I've had bad experience. That pickguard's kind of like a minty green one. Nice. The color, Fiesta Red. Alright. In the case came some, I'll say it's the modicum of stuff that you should send with a guitar at this price. So nice cloth. I've had to use already because I've already fingerprinted it up. Here's my Allen wrenches. By the way, I didn't have to set up anything on this thing. And Stuff Music did it for me. They were great. There's a pin, and this is what the cloth came in. So I took the cloth out. These are the keys to the case. They gave me a Duesenberg postcard. Oh, that's kind of cool. Postcard. I'm not going to send it, but it's nice. Starplayer special. Owner's manual. Play it. That's how you use it. Guitar strings. But these guitar strings were on it when I bought it. Not a human scale, but I think it weighs like 8 pounds. Not too light, not too heavy. It's pretty good. This is a humbucker in the bridge position. off the bridge a little bit. So there again, this is the bridge. This is the bridge if I turn up this blend knob and make it single coil. Wow, that doesn't have any brittleness. It's nice and bright, but very responsive. Clean bridge single. Back in a little bit of humbucker. All the way back to humbucker. And then just roll off some of the tone. There we go. Wow, that's my favorite bridge pickup of all time so far. Let's go to middle. That's both single. RC side of the AC RC. Back to the AC. Sit in humbucker for middle position. Let's do humbuckers. Gain on this guitar. I mean, there's a fair amount of compression on it, but still. I'll shut the compression off. That wasn't bad. Okay, I'm going to move on to the neck pickup, where I'm probably going to play this thing the most. Put my compressor back on. I miss it. This is my neck mid split. That's great. Okay, let's. I'm rolling off half of the halfway between single coil and humbucker. This is full humbucker in the neck position now. That's great. Well, this is an amazing guitar. I'm going to record a tune now. All right. Peace to you.